Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial, and in this video I will be showing you on how you can recreate a 3D mockup in Adobe Illustrator. So in this series I will be showing you how you can make these type of a 3D mockup from the packaging design templates that I had already created from my previous sections. So I highly recommend that you first go through all that packaging videos first and learn how those templates are made. Then once you've completed that, then it'll be a lot easier for you to follow along the steps to make such type of a 3D mockup, right? So as you can see that I've created 3 views of my packaging template for a light bulb, the front side, the back side, and the side view of my light bulb packaging. So, and I have already saved this document in an AI format as well as a backup, so that I do not lose this 3D mockup at all. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and open up my AI file. So I need to look for it first. Just give me right. Yep, I found my template right here. Takes a little while. Yep, so this was the template that I had created up on Adobe Illustrator. So as you can see that this is for this packaging design is for a light bulb, but however I have shown only the 3 views of this, namely the front side, this portion, the back side right here, and the side portion as well. I'm not going to show the back side as well because it's the same as the front side. And over here these flaps just indicate that it's been folded into one closed box like that. Okay, right. So I'm gonna go ahead and unlock my template layer first. So I'm gonna select my So what I'm going to do first is that I'm going to create symbols, right? So I'm going to select this document along with the text that I had written, because every single thing is important, and I want to make sure that I do not miss out on anything. So after we've selected all of these portions from the front, just this front portion, by clicking onto Shift, I'll just zoom out again. I'm going to drag this. Wait. Control Z. So I'm just going to make a copy out of this. So I'll just click on Alt and make a copy right here. So I'm going to do the same thing with this back side one as well. So I'm going to select this, click on Alt to make a copy, and just bring it right here. Similarly, onto the side one like this, over here. And I'm just going to click on Alt and place it right here as well. So it's your call, it's your wish if you want to show the side view as well. But in case if you just want to show the front and the back side, you can do that as well. So just for now, I'm going to show you how you can recreate, like you can show 3 sides as well. So I'm going to just select this one and I'm going to group them together as well. And group. Just going to group this one as well. So once that's made, I'm just going to select this and open my symbols panels right here. So I'm going to select one and then just bring it right here. So I'm going to let the export type be movie clipped. Symbol is going to be dynamic symbol. And yeah. And I'm just going to name this symbol as the side symbol, since it's going to come on the side. Like that, and click on OK. So you can see that the side symbol comes up right here. So similarly, I'm just going to drag the backside one on the symbols panel again. I name this one to be backside symbol and let all the other things be the way it is, and I'm going to go ahead and click on OK. And I'm going to do the same thing with the front one as well. So this is the front symbol and OK. So we've got this. I'm just going to zoom out. I'm going to select the template that we had made and I'm going to go ahead and click on delete. You'll see that in a moment why. So what I'm going to do now is, no, actually I do need my template for now. Okay, just for now. I'm going to just select this background, click on Alt to get a copy and then just bring it right here. And now I'm just going to select the template and now delete it like that. And I'm just going to make 3 copies of my background like this because I want to show 3 different sides, right? Okay. So I'm going to select this first one. Come over here to this effect panels. Go to this 3D. In Illustrator effects, I'm going to go to 3D and I'm going to select on extrude and bevel. I'm going to bring this right here on the side. Wait, here. So it's easier for you to see and easier for you to see right here. I'm just going to just adjust the positioning of the cube like this. Okay. I'll just keep it straight like that. The extrude depth, I'm going to keep it 550 points like that. The cap one, I'm going to turn the cap on for a solid appearance. Bevel shape, yep, I just want it straight like that. Surface, plastic shading, yes. And if I click on preview, this takes a couple of seconds and there you go. You can see that this 3D effect has been made. Now keeping that selected, I'm going to go over here to this map artwork. And as you can see, again, this front side image that you see over here is this one right here where the side which is highlighted in red, you can see the same side over here, right? So I'm going to add the front portion, this image right here onto this side. So the symbol that I had saved was this one, this front symbol. I'm going to select that. Rendering visibility. Yeah. So once that comes, you can see that it automatically gets fit inside my front side as well. So once that's done, you can see that this is the back side as well. The side one, you can see which one, like that. I'm gonna go ahead and click on OK and OK. So we've got this. I'm going to do the same thing with the other two as well. I'm going to select this again, go to Effect, 3D, Extrude and Bevel. That. Give the extrude depth to be 550 points. Click on Preview to check, like that. Go back to Map Art. And this time I'm going to add the back side symbol like that. So it takes a few seconds, so don't worry and just wait patiently for it to load like that. Click on OK. OK. Click on this last one. Go to Effect, 3D, Extrude and Bevel. Extrude depth remains to be 550 points. And I'll just directly click on Map Art. No, wait. Cancel. Yeah, Preview. Yeah, then I'll go to Map Art. And now I'm just going to add the side symbols as well. Like that, and click on OK. Okay. Okay. I'm just gonna select these three. Now we do not need them at all. I'm gonna select all these three. Go to Object, and I'm gonna click on Expand Appearance, like that. And I'm just gonna ungroup these twice, like that, so that I can now individually choose these shapes and add the gradient fill as well. So I'm just going to select the sides for now, and I'm going to add the same gradient like this, and I'm just going to adjust, yeah. So I'm just going to adjust the angle to be 90 degrees as well, and then you can just play around with the gradient slider like that and see whichever one suits you the best according to your package. And once that's done, you can go ahead and delete this. Now I'm just going to select the front portions like that and change the fill to black as well, and there you go. So I'm just gonna select these again, or probably just gonna select, no wait, I'm just gonna select the sides like this. I'm gonna give the stroke to be white, and probably just increase the stroke weight to 3 points like that. And there you go. We have now successfully made these, and I'm just going to select them and also just scale the size down like that and bring it right here onto my document. I'm just going to scale this down a little bit more further like that, so that I can just adjust this onto my document. I'm just gonna scale this down a little bit, not require them. I'm gonna just scale this one down as well, like that, and then just place your views accordingly onto the sides, like that. Just scale this one upwards and scale this one on the side. Give it proper shapes like that. So I'm just going to select the front portions like these, and I'm just going to add a drop shadow effect as well to give it a more 3D effect. So I'm just going to go to Stylize and click on drop shadow, and in the opacity I'm just going to change the opacity to 55% and let everything else be the way it is. I'm going to go ahead and click on OK. So there you go. You can see that the 3D effect has been added, and I'm just going to add here as well on the side as well. Stylize, drop shadow, OK. Like that. So now you can see that after giving it a much more, by giving it a shadow effect, it looks much more better and it looks like a 3D effect as well. So now that we've made our 3D mockup, now we can just go ahead and also save our file in an AI file first. So I'm just going to go ahead, click on File, and click on Save As. And I'm just going to change the file name to be 3D mockup light bulb packaging template, and I'm going to go ahead and click on Save and OK. So this will take a little time for it to be saved in an AI file, and that's completely okay. So as long as you do not forget to save your work, keep saving them, because if you add a lot of effects, Adobe Illustrator has a tendency for it to get hanged and then it can crash as well, and you do not want that to happen, right? And that's it. Now we have also saved it up as an AI file, and we have come to the end of our video. I hope you found this tutorial to be useful, and you can do the same thing with the other templates as well. So thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.